Today's video is just going to be the shortest one ever. Since it's Sunday, I just wanted to leave you with a few thoughts. Build ye houses and dwell in them, and plant gardens and eat the fruit of them. Jeremiah 29:5. Awake, O north wind, and come, thou south, blow upon my garden, that the spices thereof may flow out. Let my beloved come into his garden, and eat the pleasant fruits. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, honest, just, pure, lovely, good report, and virtue, if there's anything, praise and think. As usual, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and happy gardening.